So you guys, it is not on you, it's in you. It's in you. Do you believe me? Do you believe yourself that it is in you? So get on out there and keep on posting up those videos. Continue, because YouTube is changing lives out here. Look, as long as you get one view, somebody is interested in you. And you know that those views gonna go up over time, for sure. That's like anything in life, okay? First of all, you gotta believe in yourself. And it don't matter what you got on. Just show up and show out. Because guess what? It doesn't matter what's on you, it's in you. You got what it takes. You got what it takes. Keep going. I'm rooting for you, baby. Yes, God is number one. But guess what? I'm right over here rooting for you as well. So, let me keep seeing those good videos up there. Yeah. Guess what? YouTube is paying bills, changing lives. Look at some of those other YouTubers who've been living in the projects for years. They done moved up out of projects. You know, folks that's living in great neighborhoods, then got up out of that great neighborhood, went to a better neighborhood, okay? I love it. Yes. They went from a hoopty to a fancy ride. Right.